Feeling overwhelmed by outbound calls and wishing there was a smarter way to reach your leads? Let's build a power dialer using Gohighlevel and revolutionize your sales outreach process with the power of Vapi AI. First, log into your Gohighlevel account, and from the left-hand menu, navigate to Conversations. Next, go to Automations. This is where the magic happens. Think of automations as preset workflows that'll save us time. Let's click Create Automation. Now, let's create our automation from scratch, giving this automation a descriptive name such as Power Dialer Campaign. We begin by setting a trigger to initiate this Power Dialer. Click Add New Trigger, and this starts the process we need for your campaign. We're going to use the contact tag added trigger to kick things off, meaning every contact we tag will automatically enter our Power Dialer workflow. Then, we select a contact tag, such as Power Dialer. Hit Add Action, and our automation sequence begins with an action. Choose the call action. This action instructs Gohighlevel to automatically start a call to our tagged contact. In the call settings, select the phone number you want to use, the caller ID, and configure the call parameters. You can also customize the on-call message, the fallback option, and the action if nobody answers or if the call is busy. And that's it. Now, publish your automation, and your Power Dialer is ready to transform your sales efficiency.